Pikachu! Hi, it's me again. I just want to show this Pikachu that I might be trading. By that I don't mean I'm going to trade this Pikachu. I'm going to make another Pikachu like this, with the same moveset. Now you're probably wondering, oh, it's probably going to be the Ash's Pikachu with his moveset. Well, it is the moves of a very good Pikachu. It has the Iron Tail, the Thunderbolt, the Quick Attack, and the Volt Tackle. Now this, I actually worked to get this Pokemon. I firstly taught him Thunderbolt because, you know, that's a TM move. Quick Attack and Iron Tail, I had to go to the tutors, and Volt Tackle. This is a Pikachu born with, when the mother has an Electro Ball, it is instantly born with a Volt Tackle. If you would like a Pichu or Pikachu with Volt Tackle, Quick Tackle, a Quick Attack, Thunderbolt, and Iron Tail, please message me. And as always, I can EV them. I can make him one of the fastest creatures alive if you want me to. I can name whatever you want, boy or girl. Basically the same as my Snivy video, but it's Pikachu. You be respecting. Pika Power. Yeah, he's only level 66, but anyway, you want a Pikachu? I got a Pikachu. You see where I'm coming from. Trade. Right, comment, subscribe, and, you know, have a nice day.